Hey, what's going on, guys? So, if you're having a little bit of issues with like first on startup or just random tags opening in the first place in Google Chrome, there's a few things you can do that could help you out. My issue was that every time I started up, I'd have a ton of tabs automatically already open on startup. So, let's go through that one first. We're going to go to the three dots off to the side right here, click on it. You're going to go all the way down to settings. And then over on your left hand side, you'll see on startup. Now, there's this section right here that says that you can remove. And if you have a ton of those, like line up different websites and stuff, you can just remove what you don't want to pop up when it starts up. I mean, you have a few different options, but that actually helps solves it right there. Now, let's go ahead and swing over to the other issue where like every time you search something, or sometimes some people say they click and it opens up another um, tab and stuff that pops up. Instead of wanting that to happen, do a quick Google search in Google bar and go to the settings, go over to search settings, and swing down to the bottom here, and you'll see where it says results, or where results open. Open each selected result in a new browser window. Now, I would uncheck this if that's what you're having an issue with, and then save it. And hopefully that helps you out, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you guys want to help support this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for future videos, and tell me your thoughts below. There's also some stuff that I'm going to be leaving on top of that in the description, like if you guys want to invest. I'll see you guys later.